How to trade Bitcoin. Bitcoin is one of the most popular trading assets, a digital currency created in 2009. The creator of Bitcoin remains unknown to this day. The primary purpose of Bitcoin is to allow people to make payments and exchange value without relying on banks or intermediaries. Bitcoin operates on blockchain technology, a decentralized network that records every transaction into a chain of blocks. This system ensures Bitcoin is secure, transparent, and reliable for users. Why trade Bitcoin? Bitcoin's price is highly volatile, offering opportunities to profit from both upward and downward movements. For example, on November 20th, 2024, Bitcoin reached a new all-time high of $94,038.97. Bitcoin is available for trading 24/7, so you can trade whenever it suits you. On Pocket Option, you'll find a variety of Bitcoin-related assets: Bitcoin, Bitcoin OTC, Bitcoin OTC ETF, as well as crypto assets like BTC GBP and BTC JPY. Choose your preferred asset, open a trade, and start your journey toward financial independence today. Subscribe to our channel for more insights into cryptocurrencies and trading strategies.